Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. Today I will be showing you how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Instagram application into your device. Now, once you are here, in order for you to hide some chat, there are no direct feature to hide a chat, but you could utilize the feature of Instagram where you can restrict the person and move it to the requests tab. So I'm going to show you. Go for the draft messages over here at the middle of the screen. And now over here, just simply go ahead and go to one of your chats. And now over here on your chats, you would just simply go ahead and select the person that you are currently having a chat with. Just simply tap on their name at the top. And from here, you will have three dots over here or the option, and you will have the restrict option. So guys, from here, if you restrict them, as you can see, it will be removed from my chat. Now, if you want to bring it back, just simply go to the settings and you just simply use the search bar and search for restricted, and you just simply unrestrict your friend in order for it to be shown. And now, if you want, now another option that you could try is you could just simply go to your friend, and now over here, go to their profile at the top, and you will have the option disappearing messages. So you could utilize this feature as well. But remember, the chat will still be accessible, but the messages will not be visible. So pretty much, you could utilize this feature as well. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.